Congratulations on finding your way to Tadas Gold's YouTube channel, your go-to destination for unlocking the secrets of the crypto universe. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey where Tadas will be your guide, unraveling the mysteries of the crypto world. As promised, this channel is not just about information, it's about empowerment and building a solid foundation in the world of cryptocurrencies. In the coming videos, we'll dive deep into essential topics like 1. Understanding cryptocurrencies. We'll break down the complexities, making crypto concepts easy to grasp. 2. Safe purchases. Learn the ropes of secure transactions and smart buying strategies in the crypto market. 3. Wallet management. Discover the art of safeguarding your digital assets, whether it's hot wallets for daily transactions or the fortress-like security of cold wallets for long-term holdings. 4. Portfolio growth. Watch your investments flourish. Explore strategies to nurture and grow your crypto portfolio like a seasoned pro. Acquiring these skills not only enhances your financial literacy but also opens the door to a world of exciting opportunities. Remember, this isn't just about numbers and charts, it's about empowering you to take control of your financial destiny. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on a transformative crypto journey together. Now let's dive into the short video where I will explain understanding wallets, hot wallets versus cold wallets. Cryptocurrency wallets are essential tools for managing and storing digital assets securely. There are two main categories of wallets: hot wallets and cold wallets. Let's explore the differences between these two types and understand the importance of securing cryptocurrency. Hot wallets, online wallets. Definition: hot wallets are digital wallets that are connected to the internet, making them easily accessible for transactions. Types: software wallets. These are applications or programs that you can install on your computer or smartphone. Web wallets. These wallets operate through a web browser and are accessible from any device with an internet connection. Accessibility. Hot wallets are convenient for regular transactions, as they provide quick and easy access to your cryptocurrency funds. Vulnerability. The main drawback of hot wallets is their exposure to online threats. Since they are connected to the internet, they are susceptible to hacking, malware, and phishing attacks. Use case. Hot wallets are suitable for storing smaller amounts of cryptocurrency for everyday transactions, similar to having cash in your physical wallet. Cold wallets, offline wallets. Definition: cold wallets are not connected to the internet, providing an extra layer of security. They are typically offline storage solutions for cryptocurrency. Types: hardware wallets. Physical devices that store private keys offline. They are considered one of the most secure options. Paper wallets. Physical documents containing your public and private keys. They are created offline and can be kept in a safe place. Security. Cold wallets are more secure against online threats because they are not accessible via the internet. This makes them less vulnerable to hacking attempts. Use case. Cold wallets are ideal for long-term storage of significant amounts of cryptocurrency that you don't plan to use frequently. They are like a savings account where you store the majority of your funds securely. Importance of securing cryptocurrency. Protection against hacks. Cryptocurrency is often targeted by hackers due to its value. Cold wallets, being offline, provide a higher level of protection against hacking attempts. Mitigation of online risks. Hot wallets are susceptible to online risks such as phishing attacks, malware, and hacking. Cold wallets mitigate these risks by keeping the private keys offline. Safeguarding long-term investments. If you're holding cryptocurrency as a long-term investment, using a cold wallet ensures that your assets are stored securely over an extended period. Control and ownership. With both hot and cold wallets, users have control and ownership of their private keys. This is crucial for maintaining control over your cryptocurrency holdings. Diversification for convenience and security. Many users choose to use a combination of both hot and cold wallets. Hot wallets for daily transactions and a cold wallet for secure, long-term storage, providing a balance between convenience and security. In summary, the choice between hot and cold wallets depends on your specific needs and how you intend to use your cryptocurrency. For day-to-day transactions, a hot wallet offers convenience, while a cold wallet is a more secure option for storing significant amounts for the long term. Diversifying between both types can provide a balanced approach to cryptocurrency management. Congratulations, crypto explorers. Now that you've got the lowdown on the fascinating world of hot wallets and cold wallets, you're well on your way to becoming a crypto-savvy pro. But guess what? The adventure is just beginning. Coming soon. 10 altcoins for beginners to invest in. In our next video, we're diving deep into the exciting realm of alternative cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, these hand-picked gems are your passport to potential gains. Stay tuned for updates. Hit that notification bell, subscribe if you haven't already, and be the first to catch the insights, tips, and recommendations Tortoise Gold has in store for you. Remember, knowledge is power, and we're on a mission to empower you in the crypto universe. Thanks for being part of the Tortoise Gold community. Get ready to elevate your crypto game.